Hi, my name is Alain Pierre and welcome to Afrique Today. Afrique Today, you can watch us live on 4 platforms, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and our website www.afriquetoday.com. And today is the Sunday guest. I have a pleasure to have here the founder and president association called DEEP. Welcome to Afrique Today.
Thank you very much, Alain. Thanks for having me.
What is DEEP?
I like the way you say it. It's DEEP.
Okay.
So actually, DEEP is Diaspora International Platform for Africa. Diaspora International Platform for Africa. And I think that the name can, actually sell itself, meaning that we are a group that is centered around the diaspora, not only here in the US, but all over the world, as long as there are diasporas there. And it's an international platform because what we're trying to do is break the divide, break the walls that segregates us into communities like Sierra Leone or Cameroon or Nigerian. No, we want all of us to be together to speak with one voice as Africans. So therefore, we have the name Diaspora International. Now, what's the platform? The platform is a place where people can come and share information. So, in essence, we're saying that everybody in the diaspora, regardless of your background, regardless of what community you are from, you have a platform where you can come and speak.
Wow, this is very interesting. Really, in the United States, we never have a platform where all African people can come together, one voice, and talk. And this is what Afrique Today is also about, is just to talk with all Africans together. How did the idea come to you to create that association?
Great question. So, we always know that in Africa we have this great saying that one finger does not pick a stone. So, or one finger does not pick a lice, whatever way you understand it. And I've always known that if we stand in isolation by ourselves, we will make headwaves, but we won't make it well. We will not achieve great success if we do it by ourselves. So I felt like, why don't we ask, for instance, from the Cameroonians, from Kenya, from South Africa, how is their community so successful? What are they doing? What are their strengths? How are they able to overcome their challenges? What are their weaknesses? How can we learn from another organization? And number 2, following the recent elections in Africa, in some parts of Africa, there were discussions going on about people in the diaspora not having access or voting rights. And so we went to the Gambians and said, have you succeeded in having voting rights as a group, as a block of the diasporans? And they were able to tell us how they succeeded. And likewise Ghana. And that's the reason why DEEP is formed. DEEP is formed so that a unified team of professional Africans can come together to share their ideas, to share information, and also share resources with people and people with resources. So that's basically how the idea came from. If I'm having an issue in my country, how do I learn from you? How did you guys go about it to overcome your obstacles and challenges?
I know you will have an event soon. We will talk about this event a little bit later. I just remind you, we have here a president founder of DEEP. This is a diaspora, how you call it?
Diaspora International Platform. Again, my name is Sia Matilda Banga.
Wow. Okay.
So this is interesting as I said my name because everybody knows me for Matilda or Tilda. But when the idea of being an African, the representative of an African woman as I am, came to me, I felt like I need to put my African name first. Because everybody, that's how we are identified, not our given name. That's my name. So CM Matilda Banga is the name.
Okay. When you created this association, the DEEP.
So DEEP is pretty young. It's a young baby. It's a year-old.
Okay.
It's a year-old.
Is legal organization?
We are legal. We are registered with IRS. We are a 501c3 tax exempt. So if you're listening me in any part of the world, you're listening to us right now and you want to support us, please do so. We are a legal entity. We are 501c3 tax exempt. Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me again, because we have a lot of non-profit organization, African non-profit organization in the United States, and different that organization, different does have different role. Now your organization is to put together in one place all African people together. It's not, where are you from?
I'm from Sierra Leone.
Oh, you're from Sierra Leone. It's no matter you from Sierra Leone, another one from Cameroon, another one from Nigeria. It's just to bring all that people together in the one place. I know you also, do you work with the African Union?
Yes, we collaborate with the African Union. So the basis for DEEP is not complex at all. It is a platform where people come to share information and share resources with other groups. Say, for instance, there is somebody in Gambia that wants to do farming in Zimbabwe, but does not know how to get there. Say, for instance, there's somebody in the US that wants to do diamond business, for instance, in Sierra Leone, and does not know who to go to, who are the right people, because we've had issues before. Who are the right people that they can talk to? I would say to you, and to everybody who's listening to me, DEEP will be the right place. Because I say again, we are an organization of people of integrity, of honesty. So if you should reach any of us in the platform to say, I want to go to your country, you don't need to go asking everywhere. You just need one stop. So we're a one-stop shop for information, a one-stop shop where resources can be made. You have Afrique Today, which is a great tool for advertising, in the African community. Now, because we met at another program, we at DEEP can also advertise you at that platform so people can make use of your own services as well and gifts and talents. If I understand, just you want to say, that means if you are African business. Yeah, African business.
If you're African and you have a business.
Yes.
And you try to grow.
Yes.
You don't know where to start.
Exactly.
The great place to come is DEEP.
It's DEEP.
Because DEEP has a connection with other people who may need your service.
Who can need your service.
And will refer that people to you.
Exactly. But you got the point. Or also, DEEP may have resources.
Oh, resources.
Resources as well.
Yeah.
There are people that have approached us to say, I want to do something for orphans. My organization does not do something for orphans directly, but I would know somebody in the platform that do something for orphanages. I will know somebody who is the key, like for investment. Because I say investment because we in the diaspora have to be sensitive, we have to be aware that economic empowerment is number one. So we are looking for resources to see how we can assist Afrique Today, how we can assist other organizations so that they can stand on their own feet and be great.
Wow, it's very interesting what you just say, because some African people, just when you begin a business, sometimes you don't know where to start. I know we have a chamber of members. No, all people like to go to chamber of members. Chamber of commerce.
Yes.
No, a lot of people don't like to go to chamber of commerce, and this is almost like chamber of commerce.
I know, right? Just be a member, and then you can have access to everything.
To everything. Just you need to become a member.
Yes.
Then after that, and we will talk about that. And when you decide, because you decide just to create that organization, why you decide to do that? Because let me tell you why I asking this question. Because on African community, it's not easy. It's not easy to work together.
Yes.
Sierra Leone people cannot work together. Cameroon people cannot
Yes.
work together. Nigeria people, I don't want to talk about. No, you decide to take a risk and build something for all Africa.
Yes.
And try to work together. You think it will be possible?
That's the only way Africa is going to rise again.
Okay.
That's the only way we're going to get ourselves back into the map. That's the only way the giants of Africa are going to regain their power. We got to regain our power. You know, Bob Marley said, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. None but ourselves. So if we fail to come together to stand as Africans, we are going to remain slaves mentally, we are going to remain slaves economically. That's why I am trying to, I don't want to use the word drill, but I'm trying to get it into the hearts, into the minds of Africans who may be listening to this. You got to break down the walls, because people can easily get through you when they see that you all have walls, you have divisions, and you don't want each other to grow. It's time that Africa rises, and the only way we're going to do it is when you and I come together, regardless of where we are. Language, who is French, who is English, that's, sorry to say, it's I don't want to say on TV, but it doesn't really matter. What is important is that we all come from the greatest continent on earth, Mama Africa. It's possible. We're going to do it.
When we come back, like every people call you, Matilda will tell us what you need to do to become a deep member. We will do that just after the break when we come back.
See you soon.
Afric Today presents Diaspora Business Network, Friday, March 22nd from 6 to 9 p.m. Silver Spring Civic Building. Theme, African Diaspora, Business and Media. If you're an entrepreneur or have a nonprofit organization, this is the place you need to be. Silver Spring Civic Building, One Veteran Plaza, Silver Spring, Maryland, on March 22nd at 6 p.m. Get your free ticket today at event.africtoday.com. Afric Today, the best of digital TV.
welcome to Afrique Today. My name is Alain Pierre. Today is the Sunday guest AM. I'm still here with Sia Matilda Banga. She's the founder and president of DEEP. Welcome back to Afrique Today.
Thank you very much, Alain.
We was talking about DEEP. This is Diaspora International Platform.
Correct.
Okay, you create that platform to help African business to grow.
Yes.
Because you have a lot of connection. Mm-hmm. Okay, do people know who is a DEEP member?
So actually we do have members. Right now we have members from about 15 countries. I don't know if you want me to call all the countries, but we do have members from about 15 countries because, like I said, it's a baby. We just started last year, so we're still trying to spread the word. And what a great platform to use, Afrique Today, to spread the word. We have people from Cameroon, from Benin, from Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Ghana, Sierra Leone. I don't want to miss out on anybody, Togo, and all of that. I don't like to start, but yeah, we do have, I think we have more than 15 actually on the platform, yes.
Okay, right now you say the purpose to create that organization is to bring all African people together on one platform. Mm-hmm. I know maybe you have some project.
Yes, so again, let me just say this, that whereas the intention is to bring Africans together, we are not looking to bring 100, 2,000 people together, because there are other organizations that maybe are doing the same thing. But our focus is this: if we are able to get 30 people on the platform, and we can, by supporting each other, change or empower each other economically, empower each other just socially, developmentally, whatever we can do to change our conditions, we want to be sure that your time on the platform is worth it within a year. We want to be able to connect you to the resources, to the people that you need to ensure that your organization moves forward. Because again, like I said earlier, we have a lot of organizations that are one-man businesses. They're still in the conception stage and they have not been able to move out. Well, DEEP is the right place. Guess what? The main project, the main goal that we have is that one day I would like to see, someday soon, a building that says African Resource Center, an entire building. And what will that center provide? It's going to be a resource center. So not only that Africans will go there and they will have their workshops, their capacity building, economic empowerment, investment, information, but also Americans, people of other nationality, can use that one-stop shop to go and have information for anything they want to do in Africa, anything they want to do at all in Africa. And so that's why my plea is to those who are listening and investors. We want you to contact us so that we can actually see this dream come true. I have a dream that one day we will see African Resource Center, and it will be a one-stop shop where everybody can have the information that they need about Africa.
Yes, I think you have a very good plan. I have another question. I know you already have a collaboration with the African Union. What about all embassy?
So, great question as well. So what we are doing, in fact, that's on our next project for this 2019. What we want to do is contact all the embassies, with your help too. We're going to contact all the embassies so that they know that we are in existence. What's the role of the embassies? They represent each of these countries that are in DEEP. So what we want to do is that those embassies will know not only that we're in existence, but when they have a program, when they have something that has to do with any of those countries, we can have an invitation. And also have the opportunity at the African Resource Center, when we have it, to have embassy night once a month. And the embassy night is going to be where we will invite representatives from that embassy to just come and talk to us about what is going on. Because I can tell you, Arlene, there are people in the United States of America who have not been to their embassies. Some of them don't know where it is.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
So people never see their ambassador.
They have never seen their ambassador before. So that's why we need the African Resource Center. And we can say, Mr. Ambassador, can you just come and talk to us? I want to see you. You know, because I remember I was going to the South African embassy when Winnie Mandela died. I had to tell a South African that, do you know that they were unaware. So I want to raise awareness that everything that has to do with Africa, it doesn't have to be specifically your country, your nation. But if it has to do with Africa, let there be an awareness, a yearning to be part of it, a yearning to put that flag up again as Africans.
Wow, this is really a powerful organization. I hope it will be the unique organization, because I feel like, you know, in my experience working with African people, every time when someone creates something, another one try to create the same thing. Duplication
of efforts, yeah.
How you will fight with the duplication stuff?
Well, my intention is not to fight. My intention is to succeed.
Okay.
My intention is to stay focused. Stay focused, and that's why I'm saying it doesn't matter if there are 20 representatives in this group, we are going to do it. At the end of the day, I want to make sure that those 20 people are empowered. Those 20 people, we are able to go to the African desk, the White House, and say, this is what we know about, or this is what we require for our country, and be able to make contributions, and also connect them to the resources. Because you know what? Until we're economically empowered, we don't have authority. We have authority here. We have authority in our countries where we come from. We can speak to the presidents and the people of our countries if we are all economically empowered. And I'm emphasizing it. And we have some things in the make about, you know, raising funds and all of that. But sometime down the road, we'll talk about it. So to answer your question, again, if we have a focus and a goal that we are fighting for Africa, there shouldn't be any duplication. Just come on board.
Yes.
just come on board. I'm talking to you.
I realize this is what you do every day. For example, you have some guy for Chad, he do something, another guy from Ghana do another thing, and you put them together just to...
That's exactly what we did.
Then fight, create your stuff. Because if you will do it just by yourself, you will go anywhere. You
won't go anywhere.
Yeah.
And what is happening, and I'm going to say this, that even IRS and these funding agencies are looking at the one-man organization and saying, what have they done? And there's been no evaluation, there's been no outcomes of what. So we as an organization will monitor. Let's say if we give something for media and all of that to Afrique Today, we are going to partner with you. We're going to make sure that the success story is for all of us. But we will see you in the front and support you. And you know, if we are able to accept success, and see that if you are happy for one, you can also come back to you. The world will be a better place. I know it's not easy. But you know, if you succeed, and it's because you got these funds or whatever through DEEP, I will be so happy. And I look forward to that day at the African Resource Center where I will see Afrique Today.
Okay, thank you so much for that. And how you think African people fail to work together because egoism? What is that?
I think it's ignorance.
Okay.
I think it's ignorance because if you look at other nationalities, even in some African countries, the Somalians, for instance, we just had a Somalian woman who became the first, is it senator or something?
Yes, Afrique Today showed that woman.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So it is, when you are ignorant, you will fight each other and then all of you fall apart. You know, a house divided among itself is definitely bound to fall. But if you are smart, if you are positive, if you look for the greater good of Africa, you will support each other. But I think mainly it's because of ignorance. It's because people are, I don't want to use the word, but I think it's ignorance.
Okay, I have another question. Is you say I think you are the president. I think you have a board of members.
Yes.
How many boards of members?
We have 5 board of directors. Yes.
You have who else?
We have other people in the organization.
Okay.
Yes.
A lot of people. Okay.
We have our board of directors.
Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Now, if someone want to become member, do he need to be businessman or any African people just can decide and become member?
Great. So, do you love Africa? Do you want to see your sister or your brother grow? Are you interested in investment, in empowering somebody that comes from the motherland? You're welcome. It doesn't have to be somebody who has a business. What we need is to see people who want to see Africa move forward. So how do you become a member? We will give you the information, our email. We are also on the web, www.deep4africa.com, www.deep4africa.com. If you go there, we have our contact us. You can send us information. And it's just a minimal fee of $100 to become a member. We have platinum members and we have silver membership, just those two. But when you come in, they will tell you what the platinum membership is all about.
Okay, the website again for those who missed that.
For those of you who may have missed the website, it's www.deep4africa.com. Deep4africa.com.
Deep4Africa.com is the website. You can go there, register, become member. You will have all the contact there and you can become member. If you are a businessman, you try to grow, the great platform to begin is Deep4Africa. This is a really platform. Africa Today, very exciting to work with this platform. We already partnering. We have a lot of projects together. You also can do the same thing. You can become a member. We have a lot of things to speak today. I know you have an event come soon.
Yes.
No, we will talk about the event just after the break. See you.
Thank you.
Africa Today presents Diaspora Business Network, Friday, March 22nd from 6 to 9 p.m. Silver Spring Civic Building. Theme, African Diaspora, Business and Media. If you're an entrepreneur or have a nonprofit organization, this is the place you need to be. Silver Spring Civic Building, One Veteran Plaza, Silver Spring, Maryland, on March 22nd at 6 p.m. Get your free ticket today at event.africtoday.com. Africa Today, the best of digital TV.
Welcome back to Africa Today. My name is Alain Pierre. I'm still here with Sia Matilda Banga. She's the founder and president of DEEP. DEEP is Diaspora International Platform. We here on Afrique to the studio. Welcome back.
Thank you. Thanks, Alan.
Okay, we hear in the beginning very interesting about the the Diaspora International platform who help people to grow, and we was talking about the registration, how to become member, and a lot of people already know how to become member. That means you don't have a specific criteria to people to become member.
We do have a criteria. Like I said, we are an ambitious group of people. We understand the challenges, but we want people who are serious. We want people who have the integrity, and we want people who are going to give their time to the African Resource Center, give information, help somebody. We have different criteria, and again, if you go to the website www.deepforafrica.com, you will see some of the things there. But we are looking for sound-minded, motivated people to be in the group.
How you will know someone is serious?
Commitment.
Okay, who would need to do commitment?
Commitment, because you're here today because you're committed. We spoke once, we spoke twice, and you felt like this is something serious, and that's why you're here. But commitment in a sense that you come to the organization, you know what we're about. We may not have all the answers, but you do have something that you can provide to the community. So, and your consistency, your just being there and being part of the activities and sharing your information as well will help Deep to move forward.
Wow, very interesting. Okay, let's move forward. I know you have an event who will come next week.
February 23rd.
Yeah, February 33rd is Saturday. Let's talk a little bit about that event.
Yeah, let's talk about celebrating Black History Month. So that time is going to be around Valentine and Black History Month. So what we want to do is strike a deal to see if we all can come together in a red event, which is the Valentine aspect. But most importantly, to celebrate Black History Month. And how do we want to do it? Every day is Black History Month. And again, this is why Deep is formed, because every day somebody emerges as a strong African, having overcome things, and they have the victory. But we want to bring together people like Dr. Bland Lawrence, like Mary Uwera, people in the organization and in the community to talk about how to celebrate people like Rosa Parks. We are doing Rosa Parks this time because we are all about women empowerment at this time. We always had guys, okay, trust me. But for this event, we want to celebrate people like Rosa Parks. I know that you've heard about her. But we also want to look at, we haven't decided yet, but people like Thomas Nyerere, Kwame Nkrumah, Thomas Sankara. We have a lot of Africans and African women, paramount chiefs, like the first African female paramount chief, the first African female president. We want to use this time because those people stand as a beacon of light. They are the torchbearers. They are the people that have fought and overcome. Rosa Parks, the reason why some of us are here today in the United States and we can do what we're doing is because of people like Martin Luther King, who has been celebrated, but also Rosa Parks, who now gives us an opportunity to sit in the bus and feel free, and we can have our green cards and have citizenship. So for us, it's going to be focused on celebrating the lives of these heroes who have given us opportunity, and also send a message to us Africans that we are going to work hand in hand with our African American brothers and sisters. They fought so that we can be here as Blacks. Can I say that? Okay. So it's going to be great. It's going to be a fun evening. It's going to be free food and music and all of that, and it's going to happen on February 23rd at 11125 Georgia Avenue. That's in Silver Spring, Maryland.
Okay, to get your ticket, just go to the website deepforafrica.com or go to Smart Ticket and you can get your ticket online. everything will be very serious because serious people will be there, will be African music, African dance, and
African culture, and African queens and African kings are going to be there. Don't miss it.
Okay. Why you decide to celebrate, I know it's Valentine's Day, also a black story Africa. Why you decide, I know you all only have 1 year, no, anyway you decide to celebrate
Black History Month?
Yes.
Because that's who we are. And the minute we begin to accept that that's who we are, and we're able to celebrate who we are, it's so very important, Alaine, that as you grow up in life, you first of all begin to understand who you are, because knowing who you are will then take you to where you want to go. Africans have to accept this is who we are. We are Black Africans, and we have to accept it. How? We're going to celebrate who we are. It's Black History Month. That's why we are going to highlight those people who have paved the way, the torchbearers, who have given us the opportunity to do what we're doing today. I just felt like we should do it, well, not by myself, with the rest of the membership, to do something to celebrate, and also have an opportunity to talk to new people who will be coming on that day to understand the essence of raising that flag. Africa must rise. It's time for the sleeping giant to awake.
Wow. Also, don't forget March 22nd, the big event. Afrique Today organize a big event, diaspora business event. She will be there also. A lot of people will be there. Don't forget, it will be at Silver Spring Building Center, is one civic center plaza. It will be Friday, March 22nd, from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. The ticket already available on afriquetoday.com or Smart Tickets.
I am getting very familiar with Smart Ticket, which is created by an African, right?
Yes.
That's right. So Smart Ticket is created by an African. So that's what we need to do.
Okay.
Support that and support African businesses.
Okay, in part of support African business, okay, I have a question for you.
Sure.
Today we created a first, I think is the first online African TV, which one can stream live on the same time or 4 platforms.
Wow.
Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Also, Afrique Today does have an app. That means when you download the app, you can stream all your show using the app. We are only the one who does have all that.
Amazing.
Of course, we have many concurrents. We okay. The concurrence is good, because it make you think big.
Challenges make you think big, yeah.
We want to be in United States African CNN. And what do you think about that?
I am 150% in for that. Because I know we can do it. We can be the Afrique CNN, and we don't have to use CNN. We can use our own name. Afrique Today. Yeah. And let me just jumpstart that's why we're thinking of doing Africa this time, so that when we start with that, we can focus on countries and the people of Africa. I think that's a very great idea, and we must support you, and we will look for resources, we'll look for funds to make sure that this happens. And if you're listening today, that's the idea. Say it again one more time. Afrique Today live TV, just like CNN. We can do it with your help.
Of course, we can do it. And this is what DEEP is about.
Correct.
And I found out, and when we begin to talk, I found out when you talking with DEEP member, nobody fight.
Yes.
Everybody does have some good thing.
Yes.
Nobody fight. Every people help each other.
Yes.
And the first is why only good people there.
Yes.
This is what I found out, because it looks like if you're bad people, you don't have a place there, because you have to be very good people.
Exactly. And I'm glad that you raised that up. I want to say to all of the DEEP members who like blindfoldedly heard this vision and they're like, yes, let's do it. We have doctors, we have lawyers, we have great business people, we have millionaires, we have teachers, nurses, we have engineers, we have pastors, all kinds of people in that organization. And I doff my hat to all of you, because just like you noticed, you observed at that meeting, everybody is positive. Everybody wants to make it work, and we are all from different backgrounds. This is what DEEP is for. We listen to you, we listen to your need, and we find a way of seeing how can we move you from this place to another level and make it shine. Make it shine for Africa.
That means DEEP can become powerful. The structure like Africa today can become powerful.
So if you have your presidents coming from another country, guess what? And you need to hear from them, you contact DEEP, we contact Africa Today, we get them on an interview, and you're good to go. If you have a big business entrepreneur from your country and they want to talk about their businesses and how they can give us some money to, contact DEEP, contact Africa Today, and we'll put them on and we're good to go.
This is very interesting.
It's very interesting.
Okay, let's go back to, because we don't have too many time. Let's go back to the party on next Saturday, February
23rd.
33rd.
Yes.
I know you're waiting a lot of people. It will be a very, very nice place, believe me. And what else people will see that day?
Okay, so on February 23rd, what you're going to see is this. It's the union of Africans coming from all kinds of backgrounds and communities to come together to highlight and to celebrate Africans who have gone before us, Africans who have fought so that you and I can be here, Africans who stood the test of time. Now, it's going to be a red event, February 23rd, that's a Saturday.
It will be a red event.
It will be a red event.
Everybody
has to put something red.
It has to be red.
Yeah, something red.
Okay.
It has to be something red. Just
okay,
something
it will
red.
be every time red, or you will change, it depends on thematic.
Oh, no, this is just for this time.
Then the next time it will be something else,
yes,
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The next time it can be anything. But we wanted to make it, like I said, because it falls right within Valentine, and we all work so hard, so we need that time where we say, oh, okay, you know, get that love again, that groove again, but in an atmosphere where you're speaking with your brothers and sisters in a very professional manner, and we are talking about all things African.
Don't worry, everybody, don't forget, everybody has to be in red. It's just symbol in that party that day, because it's Valentine's Day, is Black History Month. History Month, you know.
We're going to have very great speakers, 2 great speakers, and I will be giving back the vision of Diaspora International Platform. Just say DEEP, it's so easy, and you will have an occasion to network with people, talk with people about what they are doing. Young African leaders, the men, women, everybody is going to be there. It's going to be awesome.
And guess what? Africa Today will be also there, and everybody will be there. This is a very great opportunity to see a lot of people, a lot of people. Just, you know, just come with us, dance, eat, drink.
Yes, have fun.
Okay, how much they enter? I know how the price to come to that party.
Yes, you know, we're going to ask for some little money. So what we're asking for is $40 donation. We're calling it a donation because, like I said, it's going to go as a seed money for the African Resource Center. We want to be sure that
you begin to build.
We begin to build.
Yes.
So even if we have to, whatever it is, it's going to be a donation towards the African Resource Center. So make your presence there, because whatever money you give on that day, you're going to be listed as one of the people who gave seed money for the African Resource Center. Again, it's going to be February 23rd, and it's at 6 o'clock to 11 o'clock. There's going to be, fun, networking opportunities, It's going to be at the 11215 Georgia Avenue in Silver Spring, Maryland.
Again, you can get your ticket. You can use Smart Ticket to get your ticket. It's very easy. Just go click the event and get your ticket. Then you will have to come in this event because every people need to have a ticket, right?
Everybody needs to have a ticket. Get your ticket before you come here and invite somebody. Make it your thing. Make deep your thing. Make the event your thing. If you're looking for a place where you probably want to take a friend, your family to go have fun, this would be a great place. You'll meet other people from Africa and come with your dancing shoes. We're going to do our African dance. I wish I knew how to do that. Yeah.
Okay.
So please, it's going to be fun.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. It was very wonderful to have a powerful woman like you at this show. I just remind you that she's named Sia Matilda Banda. She's the founder and president of Deep Diaspora International Platform. She was here with me on Sunday Guest. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Alain. I appreciate the time. I look forward to seeing you all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much to be with us. See you next Sunday. Ciao.